In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use iPhone's standby mode. Alright, I'm on the iPhone home screen right now, and we're going to turn this on through settings. This is one of those quick changes where once you flip the switch, it's basically ready, so we'll just move through it calmly and make sure you end up in the right place. First, I'm looking for the settings app. It's the grey gear icon, and it's usually sitting on one of your home screen pages. If it's not right here on the first page, that's totally fine. Just swipe left or right until you find it. Once you see settings, go ahead and tap it once to open it up. Okay, now settings is open and you'll see a long list of options. This list can feel like a lot because there are so many settings in here, but we're just scrolling down to find one specific item called standby. So at this point, I'm just going to scroll down the list. I'm keeping the scroll slow so it's easy to spot what we need without skipping past it. As you scroll, you'll notice the menu items are all in a single column and the names are pretty clear. Just keep moving down until you see standby. If you pass it by accident, don't worry, just scroll back up a little and it will be right there. I'm continuing down and I'm watching the labels as they come into view. Alright, I see standby now. Once you find it, go ahead and tap on standby. I'm tapping it now and that brings us into the standby settings screen. Now we're on the standby page and you should see the standby option with a toggle switch. This is the main switch that controls whether standby mode is enabled on your iPhone. So at this point we're going to turn on standby. If it's currently off, the toggle will look inactive. I'm going to tap the toggle once so it flips on. There we go. Once it turns on, the toggle should look active. And that's your confirmation that standby is enabled. Just take a second here and make sure that switch is actually on. You don't need to press any save button or anything like that because this setting applies immediately as soon as you flip it. If you want to be extra sure, just glance at the toggle again and confirm it stayed in the on position. Sometimes when you're tapping quickly, it's easy to hit the wrong spot, so it's worth that quick check. But as long as standby is toggled on, you're set. And that's basically it for the setup. You open settings, scroll down and tap standby, and then turned on the standby switch. From here you can just tap back or exit settings whenever you're ready, and standby will stay enabled until you decide to turn it off again later.